section real quick. It's the new button over here. We know we're not learning about that right now, but I'm going to show you real simply how the slopes work, the percent of slope in Z. So you can sit here and you can build, and there's square right now because we got a T-square. And let's say this was a, I don't know, shelf on a mountainside or a river or whatever it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn into lines that are open so it doesn't close right here. And I'm going to say I want to do a starting ending point for my slopes. Well, since my slope is 0, 0 on both ends, I have zeros all the way. So that's okay. I just click on right here. I can do two things. I can click the Z grade, and this will change different grades. Or I can click the slope, which is very handy. I can say from here to the end, I want to slope downhill. Let's say I want to go uphill at 2%. So I just hit OK. And as what you can see these greater than or less than signs? We actually put those in there so it point the way the water is always going downhill. And that might sound pretty simple right now, but let me tell you, that can get something to think about. So I'm going to grab this and move that over there and move that there and use the points. By the way, you can always grab the point here and make things bigger and smaller. You can zoom them with the point on there. So always remember that. You can zoom in and out so you can get higher resolution. So anyways, Z, I can change a Z grade right here. Right now it's 153. So if I make it 4, look what it does. The water goes this way and this way. That's going down that way, and this is going here, and it's stopping in the puddle here. Oh man. Well, maybe I want to take and go do my slope from this high point to here, and I want to slope downhill maybe because that's the thing, 4%. Click. So you see it going down, down, down. It rewrites in the grades right there and all your stuff. So that's a simple way to do that. The Z, like I said, goes up, down. But let me show you one more trick. If you're doing a point here, and right now this is 0, 0, 0, 0 because that is the Z grade. So let's say this is the end of whatever I'm doing. Like I come here, before I click out, I can just change that grade 6 feet high. There it is, 6, see? Click right here, and I can leave that open like it was, and I configure from beginning to start to beginning, and look what it does. It puts the grades all in for you automatically at that slope. And it's a 6.66 slope. The slope is averaging out to make it work. There you go. Pretty cool, huh? Then again, you can always change it or do whatever you want. But the neat thing is, again, when you grab this pen, it'll keep your slope calculating for you as you go. So you can put a thing, and when you add points, watch it. It'll split the difference in the points, and you can have slope still going, and you can see which way your slope is going. Obviously, it's going downhill, down, 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 down all the way. That's how slopes and Z grades work.